In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go affiliate dashboard in Systeme IO guide. We're going to walk through how to get to the affiliate dashboard inside Systeme.io and what you'll see once you're there, so you can quickly check your performance and payouts with confidence. First, open your browser and head to the Systemes.io website. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the main area of your account. If you're not, sign in so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the main dashboard view. This is the home base that summarizes what's happening in your account, and it's the best starting point for navigating anywhere else. From here, look for the option labeled Dashboard in the top or side navigation and click it to confirm you're in the right place. Next, find the Affiliate Dashboard option. It usually appears within the dashboard navigation, and a single click will take you straight to your affiliate area. You're now inside the affiliate dashboard. Think of this as your command center for all things affiliate. At the top, you'll typically see a clear overview panel. Start with commission earned. This section shows how much you've generated through your affiliate links. It often includes totals for a selected date range and may show pending versus approved amounts. If you notice a difference, that's usually because commissions can have a validation or refund window before they're finalized. Right nearby, you'll see payments. This is where you can monitor payouts that have been sent to you, along with their dates and amounts. If your balance looks different from your recent payments, it may be due to minimum payout thresholds, processing timelines, or payment schedules set by the platform. Next, check the leads section. This view helps you understand how many people have signed up or been tagged through your affiliate links. It's great for spotting trends. If your leads are up but commissions aren't, that may point to a conversion issue worth investigating in your offer or follow-up. You'll also find invoices. These documents provide a record of transactions related to your payouts. Reviewing them helps with bookkeeping, taxes, and reconciliation, especially if you're tracking earnings across multiple months. Finally, take a look at your earnings view. This gives a historical picture of your performance over time. Use it to spot growth patterns, seasonality, or the impact of recent promotions. That's it. Go to the main dashboard, open the affiliate dashboard, and review commission earned, payments, leads, invoices, and earnings. With this flow, you'll always know where your affiliate program stands and what to focus on next.